Create project. Open your browser and navigate to start.spring.io. Select project Maven, language Java, Spring Boot 3.1.0, group uh, security, fact, security, description, Spring Boot, Spring Boot security, example, packaging jar, Java version 17. Now add dependencies, Spring Web, Spring Security, Spring Data JPA, MySQL driver, and Lombok for better setup. Click on Explore, check pom.xml, dependencies that we are installed. Now click on Generate. Click on Show in folder. Click on Extract all. Browse to desktop. Select Extract. Close this. Now open Security folder. Right click on it. Open with IntelliJ IDEA. Click on Load Maven project. For security. Wait for it. We can view here. Downloading Maven plugins. Open your MySQL page. Here, local instance MySQL 80. Username, like here user icon name is root and localhost colon 3306. Username is root. We needed that. Because this. Now open SRC main resources Java and application properties. I will provide this code in description. Now create database YouTube. Set your username and password. Check here from database. Localhost root, username root, and my password is. Now we have to create this schema. YouTube. Finish. Okay. We have to create packages or controller model config create new package repository and services service. Now create user model. First add the entity data data node constructor table name equal to users. Okay. Now, now private string user underscore id, uh, username, email, password, mobile number, mobile number. Okay. Private date, created it. Here import JWT updated at. Okay. Now we have to create implements user details from this package. Spring framework security core user details. Okay. Now you have to implement method like account expire or username string. Okay. Is enable true. His credential is non-expired. True. His account non-blocked. True. His account expired. His account non-expired. Please get username. There is already get username. You have to send email here and get username. Set password also. Get password. Uh, get password. Okay. His account non-expired. True. His account non-blocked. True. It's okay. Credential. True. Is enable true. Okay. Fine. Now first we have to create. Now we have to create rules table. Role entity. Role model. Okay. Set. We have to copy this. Paste here. Okay. Roles. Uh, at the rate ID. Um, at the rate sequence generator. The rate sequence generator name equal to role sequence. Sequence name. Copy from here. Paste it here. Okay. Location size 1. Okay. At the rate generated value. Strategy. Generation type. Auto. Generator. Okay. Private long ID. Private string name. This is a role name. We can set here a description also. So description and created and updated it. Now we have to set many to many relationship here. At the rate many to many mapped by roles. At the rate fetch value fetch mode select. At the rate JSON ignore private set user. Let's look at this security dot example security model that we have created. Okay, user go to new headset. Okay, now let's get constructor for it. Public role long id string name string description string created at and updated at is not needed. uh, this dot id equals id this dot name equals name this dot description equals description. Okay, now public role string name this dot name equals name for setting multiple roles. Okay, now here we can set at the rate uh, protected wire on create this dot created at equals new date dot runtime miles. Here date is lot of duty. This for pre-update on update this dot updated at. Okay, now we have to copy this paste here created at updated at. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, great. Now after mobile number we have to join our tables at the rate many to many at the rate join column. No, at the rate join table name equal to user role user row, comma enter. Okay, join columns at the rate join column name equals user id inverse join column at the rate join column role id name equal to role id. Okay, uh, now private set rule. Look here, that this role entity that we are created roles equals import this roles new asset. Okay, new asset. Okay, it's looking good. Now here authorities equals collection simple grant authority. Very simple granted authority. Okay, authorities equal to new array list. Okay, now roles dot string dot for each. Inside here we will create authorities dot add new simple grant authority. Here I dot get name return list of new simple grant authority. Sorry, new simple grant authority. Okay, authorities, authorities dot to string. Now it's look perfect. Okay, now we have to create uh, create constructor here public user. Oh, wait. Inside rows what we created. Row, okay, it's row two. Public user string mobile number first because we are setting directly username to as ID. String username, comma, string email, comma, string password. Set role set role roles. Okay, string created. Okay. Now this dot user ID equals email. Uh, this dot mobile number equals mobile number. This dot username equals username. This dot email equals email. Password. This dot password equals password. This dot roles equals roles. Okay. Uh, User ID, mobile number, and password. Okay, fine. Now create repositories. New Java class set your interface uh, user repository. User repository extends at the repository. Okay. extends JPA repository user user string. Okay, no problem. Now create role interface role repository uh, at the rate repository extends JPA repository role, comma long. Okay. Now uh, now open Spring application Java. Uh, Here we have to add uh, enable web security. Enable web security at the rate enable JPA repository. Okay. Check last type rule. Here is date protected ID. Okay. Uh, User model. Okay. Here is ID is missing. Set ID. Okay. Then wait. Before running the application, open workbench. Enter password. This is our database schema. Table are empty. Table is not presented. Not presented. Okay. Now run the application. This error is you can ignore it for its credit. Now application is started. Application is started. So open your workbench. Refresh all. Now here is table users, roles, and user roles. Okay. Uh, Now it's stop the application. Uh, Now create user service. User user service. Actually, this is interface. User service interface. Okay. Now user uh, save user. We have to pass user here. Okay. We will define it. Role. Save role. Okay. Okay. Add to user. Okay. Okay. Now create IMPL package. Inside this, we have to create user service IMPL. Okay. Implements user service. Okay. Mm, Now at the rate user no service at the rate required constructor at the rate uh, transaction. Okay, and SL4J. Okay. Now at the rate required private user repository. The repository. Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, at the rate required private role repository. Role repository. Okay. Now we have to private final password encoder. Password encoder. Okay. Now we have to set at the rate override uh, it's not colored override to pick user if we have to set save user. Okay, user user. Okay, nice. Now a user dot set password. Password encoder dot encode user dot get password. Okay, so that user dot set roles means has set return user repository dot save user. Okay. Mm, Now for the public role, several save role, role. Okay, the return role repository dot save role. Now add to user. Let override public void add to user string username. Uh, Copy this text here. Uh, okay, if you have to find the mail before adding it to name. Okay, so in you open user repository. Okay, user repository optional. Okay, user find by mail. Find by email string email. Okay, check spell email. Okay, same here in role repository. Role find by name string role. Mm, okay, now open users to IntelliJ if user repository dot find by mail username dot is present. Now here we throw new error. So new illegal illegal argument exception. Okay, user with email does not exist. Same for role repository. Role repository dot uh, find by name. role name, uh, and role name. Uh, okay. Null. Role with name, role name, else user to user repository dot find by email, username dot get user dot get user dot get roles dot add role. Okay. Now, okay, now it's working. Let's try to add some data here. Bcrypt password. Bcrypt password. Bcrypt password. We have to call this return new bcrypt password. Bcrypt password encoder. Okay. Mm, Now at the rate bean command line runner. mm, Run user service. And okay. Hmm. Okay. Semicolon is important. Mm, User service dot save role to new role value is null role user uh, is user service admin manager. Okay. Some number. mm, Name Omkar. Okay. At the rate dot com. comma pass mm, pass okay. Mobile number, username, email, password, new asset, okay. Car 1, 2, username, omkar 1, 2, okay. Mm, user, password, username, mobile number, okay. Great. Now user service dot dot add to user mm, username, comma, role user. Just change the value. You can pass multiple role here for single user. We are create also register and login screen. Okay, let's meet on this. Yes, great. It's working now. Uh, we have to see database. Okay, refresh all. User role. It's working. Something went wrong. Roles. Role user admin manager. And this is all users. Okay, great. Password is encoded. Created date, mobile number, email, user ID, username, and here is which role and user is set. Okay, now create authentication request in auth package. We can create new Java class authentication request. Authentication request. Okay, set here at the rate data at the rate bdor at the rate all over constructor at the rate no. Okay, private string email private string password. Okay. Uh, Now create application config file Java class application config. Okay. Here at the rate configuration at the rate required first constructor. Okay. Private final user repository okay. At the rate pin user detail service public use detail user detail service uh, user detail service. Inside this we have to mention return username user repository uh, user repository dot find by email username or else through uh, or else new username not found exception username not found user not found. Okay. Now at the rate bin public authentication provider um, authentication provider the authentication provider equals new the authentication provider. Okay. Authentication provider dot set user detail service user detail service. Okay. Authentication provider dot set password encoder word order. We have to create this. I think we have to create this password encoder return authentication provider. Okay. Mm, Authentication manager at the rate bin public authentication manager authentication manager authentication manager. Okay. Authentication configuration beneath here. Authentication configuration throws exception return configuration dot get authentication manager. Okay. At the rate bin public password encoder return new decrypt password encoder. Okay. Mm, Application configure is okay. Uh, okay. Now we have to create authentication response. Authentication response. Uh, okay. Copy this. Mm, okay. Private string token fully uh, refresh token uh, re- switch refresh token mm, user name email in case we want to save. Okay. uh, okay. Now we have to create role custom repo. mm, Role custom at the rate repository. Okay. Now at the rate con- context and context input class. Okay. Private entity manager. Entity manager. Okay. Now public list role get role user, import this user from model. Okay. Uh, String builder, string builder. Okay. String builder equal to SQL plus new string builder dot append dot 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 append open. Okay. uh, Select star from press shift enter from users u underscore join users underscore u, press enter, join user underscore role, you are on u dot user dot user underscore id equals you are dot users underscore id, enter, join roles are on r.id r.id equals ur dot role underscore id, the where u dot email equals we have to copy one email from here. We copy admin. uh, okay, now try to run from users user role. No database selected. db used to double. Okay, set as default. uh, okay, unknown column u dot user. Okay, uh, users id. Okay, now execute unknown column. Join select native dot name users under user underscore role you are on u.id user.id user user.id let's start user सभी बड़ा सर्च sorry okay now it's working fine mistake is here user.id I misspelled that okay um, uh, here UR dot user id okay joins role can we change here r dot name as name users underscore join user roles now new role id your role id okay role admin well we have to find that perfectly fine role admin okay now mm, users id role id okay now copy this and paste here wait your dot role underscore id user underscore id equal to user id uh, no problem mm, okay mm, now mm, sql dot append uh, uh, where 1 equals 1 if user dot get email is not equal to null then sql dot email and email equals email okay need to query now I need to need query here we pass role query equals to session city manager dot get Okay. Dot get native query SQL dot to string SQL dot to string. Okay, great. Now mm, now we have to set parameters. So if user dot get email is equal to null, then query dot set parameter set parameter email email my user dot get email. Okay, now query dot add scalar equals sorry name of file is yes kind name comma kind standard out standard basic string standard basic type string. Okay, I got it. Sorry. Query dot set result transform set result list no, set result transform no problem here transforms here the trans transformers dot transform transformers dot has to be role dot class. Okay, great. Now return query dot list. Great. Now we have to create a JWT service for token. Wait here. Now we have to create JWT service. Before that, set secret key. Uh, so secret dot key equals to 123 for now. Now create a new Java class JWT service. Okay, inside that add the rate service. Okay, now private final secret key, secret key, private string. Maybe we'll add constructor later here. Uh, Now at the rate acquired private user repository, okay, at the rate acquired private role custom repo role custom repo, okay, great. Now public string generate token equals to user comma collection collection simple grant authority uh, authorities, okay, great. Now algorithm 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 equals to HUR algorithm dot MA C25 MAC MAC25 converted by 6. Okay. Here we have to pass a secret key. So at the rate value at the rate value sorry dollar inside this and copy paste this secret think so secret key um, no, control X control 5 private string secret key. Great secret key um, dot secret dot but first we need package one more package for this uh, which is I think dot first okay now we have to add one more dependency is called auth o so open h any browser if you want search auth auth zero maven dependency Maven repository auth Java JWT. Okay. Uh, okay. Most used 3.19.2. Okay. Just copy this. Control C. Uh, Copy and uh, paste here. Okay. Save this. And have to refresh this. Build. Okay. Now click here. It will sync automatically. Okay, great. It will open here. No problem. Now, just hover here and import class. Okay. Algorithm dot HMSC dot get bytes. Get name or get bytes. Uh, Program generate token dot secret key dot get bytes. Okay, nice. To this, we have to return JWT create. JWT dot create enter dot with subject UI with subject user dot get email. Sorry. Uh, Dot with expire at new date. Uh, dot dot current time miles plus t into 60 into 1000. Okay, great. Now dot with claim into the with claim uh, rules rules. Now authorities dot stream dot map granted authority get authority dot uh, dot collect dot to list. Okay, dot sign algorithm. Now it is completed. Gen generate token. Okay, great. Now we have to generate refresh token. Control C, Control V. Generate RESH refresh token, but without roles. So we remove this and we should increase this time to 70. Okay, great. generate refresh token, to try JWT verify 8 bytes. Mhm. Now we have to create JWT authentication filter. JWT authentication filter. DER filter. Okay. JWT authentication filter extends once per request filter. Okay. And now here add the rate component. Thread component at the rate required or constructor. Okay. Now we have to implement method protected while do internal filter. Okay. But first we need here user repository. Now we need that our JWT service secret. Okay. Your secret key do internal filter at the rate override. Okay, throw servlet IO exception. HTTP filter throw servlet IO exception. Filter change response request. HTTP request. Okay, do internal at the rate override. Okay, great. Now here write string authorization header. AUTH authorization header equal to request dot get header authorization instead of capital authorization import HTTP. Okay. Import authorization from Spring framework HTTP request. Okay, great. Now if authorization header is null and authorization header dot start with bearer token BEARER bearer token, then we have to try block inside this and string token equals to authorization header dot string bearer dot length. Okay, great. So that so to import algorithm equals to algorithm dot 5 6 and secret key secret key dot 8 bytes. We can write a function for it also. I will show in next video for this how to write function to do not repeat your code. Now JWT verifier equal to verifier JWT equals to JWT require JWT dot JWT dot require algorithm dot build. Okay, now decode JWT equals to decode uh, verifier dot verify token. With this we have to get we are getting string equals to string username equals to decode dot get subject get subject. Here we will get subject. Now user repository user repository dot find by email username dot or else through um, new new exception invalid token if user not present or else through MySQL. Here we should write catch exception e. Okay, we will handle this. Now string array of roles equals to decode JWT get name roles. Is it correct? Copy from here JWT service roles with claim roles dot as array string dot plus. Now add collection simple grant authority simple granted authority is equal to new array list. Now array dot string rules dot for each rule rule it is dot add new simple grant authority at this add rule uh, okay. add username password name password authentication filter. No, username password authentication token. Okay, username password authentication token equals new username password authentication token username password username comma null comma it is great. Now is security folder. Security context folder dot get context dot set authentication password user password authentication token. Okay, interchange dot info filter request response. Here we get response and request from any uh, controller that we paste here. Okay. Now create error response on separate error response. Okay. Network uh, color constructor. Now private dictators. HTTP ATS have to import this import or dot framework dot HTTP status. Great. Now private string error message private checked body public response status underscore comma string error message this underscore comma error message comma error message. We need multiple. Okay, public int get status code. Get status code value. Return dot value. Okay, right now on JWT authentication filter inside this inside catch message error response spring example security config. Okay, equal to error response new error response we have to pass here forbidden for forbidden input static forbidden. Okay, comma exception exception e dot get message. Okay, now response dot set content type content type application JSON value application JSON value uh, spring framework might be okay. This will be needed. Okay, now response dot set status error response dot get status code value. Now new object mapper dot write value response dot get string comma error message response read. After this, you have to pass else then dot do filter get comma response. Okay, application JSON value. Now we have to create security config file. class actually security config uh, @ configuration enable web security requires constructor requires constructor. Okay. Now private final JWT authentication filter this file. Now private final authentication provider authentication provider. Okay, this package. Okay, authentication provider. Now @ public security filter chain security filter chain security filter chain security uh, annotation filter. Okay, great. Now we have to need HTTP throws exception. Okay, inside this we have to send return. Okay, first we have to do http dot c r csrf dot disable. No problem is dot what http dot session management dot session creation policy EAT checklist. Okay, I have to import this csrf. We need this session management duplicate mark for remove. No problem, it will work fine as we go through. http dot authorize request authorize request dot request matcher http method options comma /start dot permit all dot request matches API slash key1 slash auth slash star star dot per method dot request matcher dot slash admin dot has authority role admin slash star star. Okay. User role admin comma role user has authority uh, authority dot has any authority any authority. Okay. Dot has any authority role admin. Okay. User admin. Okay. Dot and dot csrf dot disable dot force dot dot customizer dot with defaults dot authorize request dot authorize request dot any request uh, dot authenticate dot authenticated dot and authentication provider dot authentication provider. We have to pass here authentication provider. Okay. Dot add filter before JWT authentication filter comma user password authentication dot class. Okay. Now return HTTP build. Okay. Currently you can ignore this. These are warning. These are warnings. So actually mark for remote. There is no error. Okay. No problem. Uh, okay. Now we have to create controller for login first. I have to check it's working or not. So authentication controller authentication controller controller. Okay. Uh, Here at the rate REST controller, the rate request mapping API. What we do here, API we put. Okay. Now at the rate required construct. Okay. Private final integration survey we are needed. Uh, for now we don't at the rate post mapping slash login public constant entity uh, login at the rate request body indication request that we are created here authentication request uh, authentication request return response entity dot. Okay. um, we have to create authentication service also is here, and we have to create authentication service. Add here tag at the rate service require as constructor integration service. Okay. Private final user repository private final authentication manager. Integration manager any framework security. Okay. Integration manager. Mm, we have to go custom user service for now. Okay. Private final JWT service role custom repo private final user service. For this we needed this user service. Okay. First, we have to create login just for checking. First, public response entity. Uh, authenticate authentication response. Authentication response. Okay. First, try user. We have to import this from model. Okay. User repository dot find by email authentication request. Oh, sorry. I can create this authentication request mm, in controllers authentication request. Okay, get got it. Sorry. Now find by email authentication request dot get email dot or else throw. Um, we have to send error here. No such need. No no such element exception. User not found. Okay. Now here authentication manager dot authenticate new username password authentication token. Authentication request dot get email comma authentication request dot get password semicolon complete. Okay. Now to create list of rows row null. Uh, now if user not null then roll equals to roll repo dot get roll user. Okay. Now your collection simple grant operative thread is equal to new array list set all input uh, input that first equal to newest uh, now row dot roll dot string dot for each to set dot add new rule. We have to c dot get name. C dot get name. Done, I think. C dot get name authority dot add. Now to click dot add new simple grand authority c dot get name. Okay. User dot set roles equal to set now set dot string dot for each inside this we have to for each authorities dot add new simple grand authority I dot get name. Okay. Now add JWT this token equals to JWT service dot generate token user comma authorities add JWT fresh token called JWT service dot generate refresh token. We have to pass only here user authorities. Okay. Now we have to return this day. Now return entity dot okay. Authentication response dot builder dot access token. Access token we have to pass here JWT access token dot refresh token. We have to pass here JWT refresh tokens. I think misspell here. Dot email. We have to pass user dot get email dot username user dot get username user dot get username dot build and complete here. Let's set catch no such payment exception e return response entity dot status http status dot not found dot body e dot get message. Now catch bad credential exception. E. Copy this test here. Bad credential. Bad credential. Unauthorized. Okay. Catch exception E. Okay. Paste this here and kernel server error. Something went wrong. Here. Mm, valid credential. Dot. And okay, great. Now here we have to pass authentication service. Authentication service dot authenticate authentication request. Okay, great. Now run. Now we have to run this. Mm, okay, great. Start and install update. Right. Okay. We have to get request post local host colon 8080 slash e authentication controller. Copy paste this slash e paste body raw JSON. I have to pass response request actually. Copy this email. Password. Password. Okay. Now your mail and this pass. Something went wrong. Okay. Here is 200 status. Okay, what is error? SQL direct. You have error in SQL syntax that MySQL where. Okay. Rule custom. Line 4. Okay. We can wrote like this. Also, n plus dot append. Okay, great. Now rerun this application. It should work. Started. Now send the request. Okay, great. Here is our access token. Refresh token. Now just copy this and open your browser jwt.io on here and paste our token. You can see payload data here, subject, our mail, roles, user, and expiry date. Expiry date is Sunday 4 June. Okay, what is it is? Okay, and if we check now, 2023 means 8:30. Okay, and if we copy refresh token, expire date is 8:43. Okay, great. Now it's working. Uh, Fine. Now we have to create uh, one more request for register user. Register request. Register request. Okay. Just copy all the data here and we can set private string username uh, email email password my mobile number phone number. Okay. Mm, Now create controller for register request. Right. Mapping register with this just here register authentication register request actually register request register request uh, register. We have to made this. We have to create this actually. Sorry. Uh, Authenticate public here public responsibility register register request register request. Okay. This problem solved. We have to add here try catch and user service. I think so. Try to save user if user is defined by email register request dot get email dot exist by ID if mm, to string the only error new without exception user with serving image register request dot image dot to string plus this may already exist semicolon. Okay. Um, Great. Now user service dot save user new user register request dot get mobile number first dot to string comma register request dot mm, get username dot to string comma. There is no need of to string here actually. Will be fine. Okay. Now register request dot get email comma register request dot get password comma new set no need of comma here semicolon. Now register dot user register dot get mail comma user is a default one rule default rule. Okay. um, Equal to user repository dot find by image request dot get image dot or else throw if you have problem here. Now return response engine dot okay. We are sending a return back to user where we are saved catch illegal or not exception key. Now return response entity dot status jdbc status dot bad request dot body dot get message h exception key copy above code internal error. Okay, great. Now authentication to the registers. Okay. Now rerun application for checking Okay, great. Let's send this request. Yes, this login request is working fine. Sorry, I'll copy this and paste here. Post request, and we have to set register now. Uh, Here is a register. This body raw JSON. Uh, Register request username email. For now, we'll send abc email. We'll send abc@a.com. For now, password we'll set to pass, and mobile number is now okay. Innocent. Okay, it is status don't show. Role ID user created at updated at null. If we change anything here, it will update. Input request. Okay, status code don't show. Okay, ABC username. If we log in with this, is it working? Just for check sure. Yes, it's working. In database that we are added here, mobile number created at okay, that's updating. Hmm. Now we have to create controller for admin and user. Okay, for demo purpose. Mm, demo demo controller. Okay. Mm, we create admin. Okay. We use authentication services same for that. Okay. Okay. Demo controller. Change here to demo. Copy this. Open security config. Mm, change here. Demo slash admin user slash. Okay. Now open demo controller. The get mapping slash admin public responsibility admin return responsibility dot okay. This is admin route user user. Okay, this is user route. This is user and admin route completed. It's time to run the application. Okay, application is running. Open this omkark at gmail.com. We already set in here, so we can directly generate token for user. Omkark at gmail have role user, so we generate token for it. Now go, can open new, get request, paste local user demo, get request authorization, mirror token, uh, copy token from here. This is user route, so we can, the input is not 64 encoding. Okay, there is something problem here, I think so. Okay, just enter space here because we do here enter space. Okay, just only one space add here. Okay, uh, rerun, click on here, rerun button. Okay, application is running. uh, we use a new token, copy, paste, send. This is user route. If we use admin, okay, it's going, and if we use admin min forbidden, it's working. Okay, great. uh,